Imagine waking up and seeing your investment account worth $517,842. You scream, you hug your wife, you quit your job, you start looking at beach houses. Then, before you've even finished your morning coffee, your account shows $3,127. How can someone make $500,000 and lose almost everything us before breakfast? This story might sound unbelievable this time, but it happens more often than people think. Meet Jake. He's 29 years old. He works a normal office job, nothing glamorous. Every day, while eating lunch, he scrolls through social media. He sees headlines like, "This guy retired at 30. I turned $1,000 into $100,000. This stock is guaranteed to explode." Every video makes investing look easy. Every success story makes him feel like he's being left behind. At first, Jake ignores it, but after months of watching other people supposedly get rich, he starts asking himself one dangerous question. What if this is my chance? So he opens a brokerage account. He invests $500. A week later, it's worth $600, then $700, then $1,000. He can't believe it. It really is this easy, he tells himself. Over the next few months, he keeps adding more money. $5,000, $10,000, $20,000. Eventually, he even borrows money from his broker using margin. He believes he's found the secret. At first, everything goes perfectly. Every stock he buys seems to go up. 15%, 30%, 70%. His coworkers start asking him for investing advice. His family starts calling him the stock market genius. Jake checks his account every few minutes. Watching the numbers climb becomes addictive. His account reaches $50,000, then $120,000. Then comes the opportunity everyone online is talking about. A tiny biotech company announces exciting news. Financial influencers call it the next life-changing investment. Message boards are filled with rocket emojis. Everyone says the same thing. This is going to 10 times your money. Jake doesn't hesitate. He sells every other investment he owns. He puts everything into that one stock. No diversification, no backup plan, no safety net. Just one massive bet. Over the next 2 weeks, the impossible happens. The stock keeps climbing. His account reaches $200,000, then $300,000, then $400,000. Finally, $517,000. Jake feels unstoppable. He starts planning his dream house. He browses luxury cars online. He even begins writing a resignation email for work. His parents tell him to sell some shares. His friends tell him to lock in his profits. But Jake laughs. If I sell now, I'll miss becoming a millionaire. Greed has a strange way of changing the way people think. When you're losing money, $100 feels enormous, but when you've made $500,000, another $500,000 suddenly feels possible. Jake tells himself, "I'll sell tomorrow." 3 simple words. I'll sell tomorrow. The next morning, at 6 o'clock, the company releases another announcement. The clinical trial has failed. Everything changes. Investors panic. Millions of shares hit the market all at once. Jake is still asleep. His phone starts vibrating, again and again and again. Dozens of alerts, hundreds of notifications. He finally wakes up. He grabs his phone. His stomach drops. The stock is down 20%. Before he can even think, then it's down 35%. Trading is halted. He can't buy. He can't sell. He can only watch. Minutes later, trading resumes. The selling gets even worse. The stock crashes another 50%. Jake's fortune disappears, second by second, like sand slipping through his fingers. By lunchtime, his account is worth less than $10,000. Because he borrowed money on margin, his broker automatically sells everything. He doesn't even get the chance to decide. Years of savings, months of incredible gains, gone. Jake didn't lose because investing is bad. He lost because he believed one lucky streak made him invincible. The stock market doesn't reward confidence. It doesn't reward hope. It doesn't care how badly you want something. Years later, Jake starts investing again. But this time, Everything is different. He buys quality companies, he invests in index funds, he diversifies. He never borrows money to invest. He stops chasing viral stock tips. He stops checking prices every 5 minutes. His portfolio grows slowly, 8%, 10%, 12%, year after year. No flashy headlines, no overnight fortune, just steady progress. Because real wealth usually grows quietly. Most people think investing is about finding the next stock that goes to the moon. The people who stay wealthy understand something different. The biggest secret isn't making the fastest money, it's surviving long enough for time to do the hard work. So let me ask you one question. If your investments doubled tomorrow, would you know when to take your profits? Or would greed convince you to wait just one more day?